building the structure of calculator application. Okay, we are in the session of structuring of calculator application. Okay, building the structure of calculator application. In the previous lecture we have talked about the calculator app we are going to build, and also have been seen glimpse of our final project. Okay, we have seen the final project. Okay, in this lecture we will get our hand dirty to start the development of our first project application. Okay, in the React. Okay, I have already told you every application will be developed in React will be made up of pieces called the component. Okay, we can see a user interface broken down into a multiple individual pieces called components, and works on these independently and merge them all in a parent component, which will be our final UI. Okay, let's try to break down these interfaces. Okay, user interfaces into a component smaller pieces called a component. Okay, this is the title section. Okay, this is the title section, this is the output section, input section, this is the output section. Okay, these are the buttons. Okay, this is this title section. Title section is the title. This is the title section. Okay, which is located at the top of application. Okay, then this is the output screen. Okay, this will be your output screen where the text will be shown. Okay, like the input that the user will type, and answer calculator from the input. Okay, if you provide input, then this section is for input purposes, and this section for a display or answer. Okay, then these are the buttons. Okay, then these are the button. Okay, so let's start our journey. Okay, to build your application. Okay, first go to your desktop. Okay, go to your desktop, then create a new folder. Okay, that is name cal calculator project. Okay, then go to your project folder. Okay, then shift plus right click. Okay, then go to your PowerShell window here. Okay, if you are go to your PowerShell window, then type npx create react if calculator. Okay, this is the syntax of node package manager. Okay, if you don't know about the node package manager, so go on that video. Okay, so that you learn about the node package manager. Okay, this package manager install our packages. Okay, like this react dom, react script with crack templates and many more. Okay, this will take some time to install our modules or packages. Okay, so let's see. This node package manager installed React 16.13.1 version, then React script 3.4.3, crack templates 1.0.3, then React DOM 16.13.1. Okay, this install all the packages. Okay, then removing templates using npm. Okay, these packages were installed in our directory. Okay, then it suggests us to cd. Okay, to calculator. Okay, we have created our calculator application. Okay, so cd we go to there, then npm start to start our server. Okay, if you command this line, okay, then it will load. Okay, it should load in our browser. Okay, let's see. Start. Okay, Okay, then this is your project. This project is ready. Okay, node package manager provides us this. Okay, so good, let's go to your project. Okay, so if you go to your project, okay, then you will find these all these files. Okay, there is a node modules. Okay, these there are lots of module installed in your project. Okay, then this is the public folder where this contains one HTML file. Okay, let's open this in our Visual Studio Code. Okay, I will open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, first. Okay, then go to your open folder. Okay, section. Okay, then go to your desktop. Okay, then calculator app. Okay, then select the folder. Okay, then it will open your project. Okay, go to your public folder. Okay, then remove these all these parts. Okay, these parts are not essential for us. Okay, so delete this part. Okay, public. Okay, I have deleted unknownly. Okay, in the public folder. Okay, I will create one file. Okay, index.html. Okay, so that it will render into browser. Okay, html. Okay, title I will create here only. I will calculator. Okay, save this file. Okay, then in the body. Okay, give one div. Okay, div id root. Okay, save this file. Okay, don't remove all the files of public folder. Okay, I unknowingly remove all those parts. Okay, what you don't remove this index.html file of public folder. Okay, then go to your ssc folder. Okay, there are lots of files. Okay, in the ssc folder. Okay, I will remove I will create one project in the ssc folder. Okay, named components. Okay, then I will remove these all these parts. Okay, in the I don't want these files. Okay, in the sh folder. Okay, one is index.css. Okay, this is the css file. Okay, another one is this. Okay, these two files are outside of components and inside our components. Okay, this is the simple structure of our React application. Okay, calculator application. Okay, for our calculator application. Okay, we need our we need mainly four components. Okay, that is one component is calculator. Okay, so we create in the ssc folder components. Okay, one file named calculator. Okay, calculator.js. Okay, this one file. Okay, this is the parent components and will represents the entire calculator application whole in whole. Okay, then another file named what calculator title.js. This component will use to render the title at the top of our application. Okay, this helps us to render the title at the top of our application. Then another one file named what output screen. Okay, yes. Okay, output screen. These components will be for all the text shown on the screen. Okay, for the to show on the screen purpose. Okay, we create here one component. Okay, in the output screen. Okay, then another one is another file is output screen row. Row.js. Okay, this component will for the type of output. Okay, input text and calculated results. For the input text and calculated result, okay, we use output screen row components. Okay, then another one file named button. Okay, this component will be for all of the buttons that we have in our application. Okay, this is the simple structure of our application. Okay, save these all these files, and if you go to your browser, okay, then it gives our error. Okay, in the next lecture, okay, we will create the user interface of this application. Okay, so that it will so there in the browser. Okay, these all these files are empty. Okay, we have created the components files. Okay, that is the calculator.js. Okay, this is the parent components. Okay, then this is calculator title.js. Okay, this file contains the title of the calculator. Okay, then another is output screen. Okay, this is used for the output of our result. Okay, then output screen row, this also takes the input and output of our calculator. Okay, then another component is button which contain all the buttons. Okay, which contain all the buttons of our calculator. This is the simple structure of our calculator. Okay, here in the node modules. Okay, there are lots of packages installed which are required for our application. Okay, in the public folder, okay, I have only one file, that is the index.html. Okay, don't change this file. Okay, this contains one div id root. Okay, where we render our application. Okay, then in the src folder, okay, it contains two file, that one is index.js and another one is index.css. Okay, this index.css is used for rendering our components to the index.html. Okay, these two files are very important. Okay, in our project, then we create our component files. Okay, ready we ready our we make our ready our application. Okay, in the next lecture we will create our user interfaces. Okay, we'll write some codes on these files. Okay.